Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Hope you are fine and healthy. The topic we are going to learn today is addition and subtraction, and the subtopic is equal machine. Learner's book, page number 16. First, our learning objective: explore using the equals sign to show the equality of two calculations. Add and subtract a single digit to and from a two-digit number. Now, first we will recall our addition and subtraction effects. Complete the following number sentences. A. 11 plus 6 is equal to dash. So, put the bigger number in mind and count on 6 numbers on your fingers. Put 11 in mind. Now count on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Stop. Now write 17 because our answer is 17. Next part, 24 plus 5 is equal to dash. Again, put the larger number in mind. The bigger number is 24. Put in mind and count on 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Stop. So, what is the answer? Yes, it's 29. Now the next part, 30 minus 10 is equal to dash. The numbers are in tens, so you can say 30 means 3 tens and 10 is 1 10. So, subtract 1 10 from 3 tens. The answer is very good. 2 tens. That is 20. Next one. 18 plus 7 is equal to dash. Again, put the bigger number 18 in mind and count on 7 numbers. 18 in mind. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Stop. The answer is 25. Last part, 29 minus 6 is equal to dash. Now it's a subtraction sentence. You can put 6 in mind and you will count on till 29. Or the other way is you will put 29 in mind and count back 6 numbers. So I'm putting 29 in mind and I'm going to count back 6 numbers. 29 in mind. Now start counting back. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. Stop. I have counted 6 numbers. What is the answer? The answer is 23. So write 23 in the given blank. Now we are moving towards our today's work. The today's topic is about equal and equivalent. So equal and equivalent has the same value or amount. For example, 5 plus 2 and 9 minus 2 have the same value of 7. So they are equal. They are called equivalent. And we will write them in this form. 5 plus 2 is equal to 9 minus 2. So look at the example again. Can you add 5 plus 2? The answer is yes, 7. Now subtract 2 from 9 and you get the answer 7. So the answers are same. So we can say they are equal and these calculations are equivalent. So we write them in this form. Do you know what the equal sign really means? This means when the both sides have the same value or total, even though the calculations might not look the same, they are actually equivalent. So you can see the calculations are not looking same. It's an addition one, it's the subtraction one. And some numbers are also different, but the answer is same. So we can say these are equivalent. So can you tell me any other calculation which have the answer 7? Yes, you can say 1 plus 6. Can you tell me any subtraction calculation? 10 minus 3. So you can make maximum or possible calculations and to get the answer 7, and you will write them in this form, and you have to put is equal to each time when you have to write the other calculation. But remember, they are equivalent only when they have the same value or answer. Now we are moving towards our learner's book, page number 16. So open it and write your day, class, work and date in this way. Now look at this page. Equal machine. The equal machine makes equivalent calculations. You can see it's a machine. One side we put the card and on one calculation and we get the another calculation of the same value. So you will do this activity with me. Choose a card to go into the equal machine. What might come out? So we have to find out what might come out. And in the end, what is the largest string of calculations you can make? After finding the calculations, we will write the longest string of calculations you can make at the end. Now we will solve these cards on a new page so we can write our calculations easily. Now I'm using a blank page. Look at the first card. 11 plus 6. It's an addition sentence. So put the bigger number in mind and count, that is 11, and count on 6 numbers on your fingers. Now I'm putting 11 in my mind and I'm counting on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Stop. My answer is 17. So I'm writing 17 here. Now after writing the answer, we will put the value on this number. And as you know, we always start from the extreme right digit, that is 7. We put the first value, that is ones, on 7. And for ones, we write O. Now, the next digit after 7 is 1. So we write the second value, that is tens, on 1. This means in this number 1 is 10 and 7 is ones. 10 plus 7 is 17. So you will get your second calculation by putting the value. So I'm writing my calculation here, 10 plus 7. Now I'm putting is equal to sign, as we are going to find out more calculations with the answer 17. Now from 17, think about the nearest tens. What is the nearest tens to 17? Good, it's 20. And you can count on and check it. Put 17 in mind and count on 17. Now count on 18, 19, 20. Stop. The next tens after 17 is 20. Now remember, when we are going to find out the subtraction calculation, we always choose the bigger number from the given number. The given number is 17, so we have to choose the bigger number. As I'm choosing the nearest tens, that is 20. Now put 20 in mind and count back till 17. 20 in my mind, now I'm counting back 19, 18, 17. Stop. Till 17, I have counted 3 numbers. This means 20 minus 3 is also 17. This is our next calculation. So any guesses? Can you tell me any addition or subtraction calculation here? Yes, you can add 12 plus 5. You can add 13 plus 4 or 14 plus 3. And if you want to find out the subtraction one, you will choose the bigger number. So for example, 18 is bigger than 17. So if you put 18, how much numbers we will count back? Yes, 1. This is the next calculation. And if you want to choose as an addition one, you can write 1 plus 16. Or you can write 2 plus 15 and so on. So in this way we will do today's work. Now the next card, 23 plus 4. Again, put the bigger number in mind and count on 4 numbers to get the answer first. 23 in my mind. Now I am counting on 24, 25, 26, 27. So the answer is 27. First I will write my answer at side, and after that I will put my value. Look at the extreme right digit, that is 7. So first value is ones, so I am writing ones on 7. The next digit is 2, and I am writing the second value, tens, T for tens on 2. Now, how many tens? 2 tens means 20. How many ones? 7. So, we will write our first calculation, that is 20 plus 7. Again, I will suggest you to find the nearest tens first, or you can go round back to the back tens. So it's more than middle number, we will go for round up to the nearest tens. So put 27 in mind, and can you tell me what is the nearest tens? Yes, it's 30. So put 30 in mind and count back till 27. So I'm putting 30 in my mind and I'm counting back till 27. 30, now count. Now I'm counting 29, 28, 27. Stop. How many numbers I have counted? Yes, 3. It means 30 minus 3 as the answer of 27. Now next calculation. Can you look at the number? If you move back one number is 26. So I can write a calculation with the addition 26 plus 1. Or I can write 25 plus 2. And if I want to get the subtraction one, I will write 29 minus 2. Or I can write 31 minus 4. So on. There are many ways to get the answer 27. So think about it and find out as many calculations as you can. Now I'm moving towards our next calculation, that is 36 minus 7. So first solve this card. Put 36 in mind and count back 7 numbers. 36 in my mind, I am counting back. 36 in mind, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30 and 29. So my answer is 29. And I am writing 29 here. Now, the next step is to put the values. The extreme digit, right digit is 9. So I am putting O for ones on 9. And the next digit is 2. And I am putting T for tens on 2. Now in this number, 2 tens and 9 digit. So we get our first calculation, that is 20 plus 9. Now, again, I will suggest you to find out the nearest 10. Round up to the nearest 10. So, if we round up 29 to the nearest 10, the nearest 10 is, yes, it's 30. And from 30, if we count back, how many numbers we have to count back till 29? Good, 1. So, the next calculation is very simple. 30 minus 1. Now, any suggestions? You can make addition and subtraction, both calculations which have the answers 29. So, can you tell me any? Yes, 28 plus 1, 27 plus 2, 23 plus 6, 22 plus 8, 21 plus 7, 8, 21 plus 8, 22 plus 7, 20 plus 9, we have done, 19 plus 10, there are many. And if you want to make the subtraction one, you take the bigger number from 29. Suppose I am taking 31. 31 minus 2, because from 31 I will count back till 29 and get the number. 31 minus 2, 32 minus 3, 33 minus 4. So I am writing my subtraction calculation here, that is 33 minus 4. Or you can also write here 35 minus 6. It's not neat. Let me write it neatly. So can you tell me one more addition calculation? Yes, you can write 10 plus 19. You can write 11 plus 18 and so on. Now look at the next one number. 17 minus 8. Again a subtraction sentence. So you can count on from 8 till 17, or you can count back from 17 till 8. So I'm choosing 17 and I'm putting in mind and I'm counting back till 8. 17 in my mind, now I'm counting back. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Stop. My answer is excellent. It's 9. It's a single digit. So what is the value? Yes, it's 1. Now, I hope it's very easy to make the calculations for 9. So, can you tell me? Yes, 3 plus 6. Or you can make 2 plus 7, 1 plus 8, 4 plus 5, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 0. These are all the calculations. So, I'm writing some of them here. 1 plus 8. 6 plus 3, 4 plus 5. Oh, I forgot to put the is equal to sign here. So I'm putting is equal to sign here. And also here. And if you want to find out the subtraction calculation, put a bigger number. Suppose next number is 10. 10 minus 1, 11 minus 2, 12 minus 3. Or you can write 19 minus 10. So I'm writing some of them here. For example, 10 minus 1 is equal to 11 minus 2 is equal to you can write 20 minus 11. You can write 18 minus 9 and so on. So this is your choice to make addition or subtraction calculations. But you can make as many as you can. So in this way, we will do our work. Now the last question on this page. What is the longest string of calculations you can make? Now look at all your calculations. In the first card, we make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 calculations and 1 is given. So in this card, we can make we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 calculations. And for this card, we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Now the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these calculations are called the strings. We make strings with is equal to signs, or we can say these numbers are equivalent. Now our longest string is this. So I'm writing the string again. So first is 17 minus 8 is equal to, now I'm looking back the next one, 1 plus 8, 6 plus 3. So I'm writing 1 plus 8, then again I have to put the is equal to sign here. 6 plus 3 is equal to, now I'm moving back, 4 plus 5, 10 plus 1. 4 plus 5, 10 minus 1, again 11 minus 2, 20 minus 11, 20 minus 11. I'm writing all my calculations here, and 18 minus 9. The last one is 18 minus 9. And I'm sure you can make more calculations. So in this way you will do your work. So do this on a rough page for your practice. This is just an activity and we have done with the with the help of these cards. Now I'm winding up our lesson. Now plenary, write two equivalent calculations of the given sentences. Now I have written some sentences here and you will help me out to find out the equivalent calculations of these digital addition sentences. First one is 6 plus 8. So the simple way is to add them first, to get the answer. So put the bigger number, that is 8, in mind and count on 6 numbers on your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Stop. The answer is 14. I'm writing 14 inside. Can you tell me the values of this number? The extreme right digit is, yes, it's 4. So which value we put here? Good, ones. We put O for ones. And the next one is tens. So I'm putting T here. Now the answer is 14. We have the value 14. So can you find the other two calculations? Look at 14. Can you round up or round down? Tell me. Yes, you will round down to the back tens. So what is the back tens? Yes, before 14, which 10 will come? Yes, it's tens. And you can, as you see the values, you can also get this. How many tens? 1. How many ones? 4. So we will write our first calculation, 10 plus 4. Now, can you tell me any other number, any other calculations which have the value 14? Yes, you can write 16 minus 2, 15 minus 1, 17 minus 3. So there are many options and this is your choice to choose any one. Now the next number, 24 plus 6. Again, put the bigger number 24 in mind and count on 24 in your mind. Now count on 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stop. What is the answer? The answer is 30. So I'm writing 30 here. Then put the values, ones and tens. It's not neat. I will write it again. Next value is, I will erase this rough work and I'm writing 30 here. And I'm putting ones on 0 and tens on 3. Now, our value is 30 and we have to find the other calculations. So it's the tens, 3 tens or 30. Can you make any calculations? Yes. 10 plus 20, 20 plus 10, 15 plus 15, 30. Can you make the subtraction one also? Again, you can count back in tens. What is the next tens after 30? It's 40. So 40 minus 30. 10 is 30. On what is the next tens after 40? 50. And how many we have counted back? 5 tens, 4 tens, 3 tens. So we count back 20. So 50 minus 20 is also 30. So you can write the answer of your own choice. Now next part, 12 plus 7. So put the bigger number 12 in mind and count on 7. 12, count on 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Stop. The answer is 19. Now put the value. On the extreme right digit, you will write O for ones. And the next one digit, you will write tens. So how many tens and ones are here? 1, 10 and 9 ones. The simplest calculation you can make is 10 plus 9. And there are many other options like 11 plus 8, 12 plus 7, 13 plus 6 and so on. And if you want to make the subtraction one, you will choose the bigger number. Suppose I'm choosing 22. Now count back. 22 in mind. Now count back till 19, 21, 20, 19. Stop. How many numbers I've counted? Yes, 3. So I'm writing 22 minus 3. The answer is 19. Now the last one. 23 plus 5. Again put 23 in mind and count on 5 numbers. And the answer is excellent. It's 28. So I'm writing 28 inside. Remember, if you put the values, your work will be easy. So on the extreme right digit, you will put the ones. And the next to the right, you will put tens. So how many tens and how many ones? Yes, 2 tens means 20. And how many ones? 8. So 20 plus 8 is 28. Now find out the subtraction one. Go to the nearest 10. And the nearest 10 is 30. 30 minus 2. 31 minus 3. 34 minus 4. And if you want to choose the Suppose I am choosing 40. 40 minus 12. I put 40 in my mind. I will count back till 28 and I will get the number 12. So in this way, you can do the number card game. Please do practice of this work at your home on a plain page. And inshallah, I will meet you in the next lesson. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.